If you've been playing Disney Dreamlight Valley, you know that worms are super important for fishing, gardening, and even completing certain tasks. But finding them can be tricky. You might be wondering, where are they hiding? Well, stick with me and I'm going to show you exactly where to go and how to find them. So first, head to the Plaza and search the soft soil patches. Worms love these areas. Next, you're going to head to the Forest of Valor. You're going to find more worms hiding around the trees. So don't forget the Peaceful Meadow. It's a great spot to search for worms as well. And if you're lucky, you might find a worm near the ponds or by the river in the Sunlit Plateau. Now make sure to check all the garden spots. If you see a little dirt patch, that's a prime spot for worms. I know you can do this, so get out there and start your worm hunt today. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.